Alright, I've been playing around with this SSTC, and I put two 0.68 microfarad caps in series for 0.34 so that it resonates a tiny little bit, and just to make it behave like there's less primary turns than there actually is. And I put a 6-inch top load on there, and now I'm starting to get let me get a shot of the bridge here. So just a half bridge. IGBT's aluminum nitride thermal pads there, and 20 microfarad big film cap. I put this optocoupler circuit for triggering, so it's isolated, so I can run this on 240 with 1200 volt transistors if I want. But basically with this, I'm getting this weird squelching, squeaking sound again. But I captured something interesting. What is this? So, turn off the lights. Come on. Try and get it to trigger. That's super weird. It's not triggering right. Hang on. So what is with this primary current waveform? That's super weird. If I increase the bus voltage, it does that. Now, if the coupling was any higher, this is where I would get flashovers. It's actually making okay sparks, but that's maybe about 20-inch long. It's done up to 24, maybe 26 inches now with the 8-inch top load. But normally it doesn't look like that. Again, that's primary current. Getting up to about 75 amps at peak. So, or maybe not quite 75 amps, 65, something like that. Like, what is going on? So that squeaking noise, this is very low bus voltage. It's like switching between two different oscillating modes. And because this is not a digital scope, it's hard to zoom in on that and see what it's oscillating at, but oh well. Here I've tried to zoom in on the middle of the waveform at low bus voltage where it's squeaking and switching between modes, and I'm getting this for primary current. If I increase the voltage, it looks more like you'd expect. That's what normal primary current looks like on an SSTC. That's decent output. But if I get it to do that weird mode, I'm getting this. What is this? Now, that's half a microsecond per division there. So I'll have to look at that later. Okay, so I'm looking at right here, and now if I go over to B, that's what that looks like. Whoops. And now, wait, sorry. If I look at, oh man. Focus. If I look at in the middle and go to B, it still looks like that. What the heck?